and welcome to Vlogmas day. What day is it? The 6th. Today is 6th of December. I want to say a very happy birthday to one of my good friends that unfortunately we cannot celebrate together, but yes, happy birthday, Costadina. But I wanted to, say hi. Today actually it's been a little bit later because in the morning, Mommy, let me turn you. So at the moment it's a little bit later in the day, it's almost 3 o'clock actually. During the morning I had an important meeting and I wanted to prepare, like I woke up super early in the morning, I got ready, I straightened my hair as you can tell, I did my makeup, I used actually the eyeliner, the black eyeliner from Viv, and I just love it. I really like how black it is. It doesn't transfer to my eyelids, so I really enjoy, how like its performance. And usually I have oily lids, so I sometimes can see, the transfer between my lower upper lid and the lid up there, but there is no transfer. I'm very happy with how it looks, how it feels, how it wears during the day. And yeah, so I had my appointment in the morning and then I had my friend's class. I just finished it and now I will go meet one of my friends here. We will go for a coffee and hopefully tonight we will go with my boyfriend for CrossFit. And if this doesn't happen, I will actually go to yoga again. We will see. But I'm also thinking I would like to start creating a wreath, a Christmas wreath. We do have like a big mirror in our entry hall, I will show you, and I was thinking that maybe with a nice opportunity to decorate our hallway more Christmassy, so every time we are entering the apartment is going to be like super festive and nice, and it kind of like gives the mood for the season. So yeah, this is the plan for today. Not making the wreath, but trying to find the elements to make the wreath. Unfortunately here in Luxembourg, and I think also in the UK, because I was checking the white company, they are super expensive, the wreaths, so like super expensive. So I was thinking that maybe I can do it by myself. But I want to show you actually my outfit as well. It's very simple. As you can tell, it's very simple, but very comfortable, and I like it how it looks, at least in real life, very chic. It's full black. I have these pants from Mango that I was wearing also yesterday or 2 days ago, and then this sweater, to be honest, I don't remember from where it is. Is it? I have no idea, I need to check. It's from America Today. And it's very cozy, it's very warm, it's so soft. So it's just a coffee with a friend, so I will just wear this with my Converse, my black platform Converse. It is quite cold outside in the morning. It was 3 degrees, so you can understand the feeling. It's like even less. So I need to be warm. I will wear my big scarf and my jacket, and we will go probably to the city center, or we want to try one of the cafes here, but I'm not sure what timing closes, so maybe we will go city center. We will see. I will just show you around when we are at the place where we sit. So I'm back from the coffee with my friend, and now my boyfriend, he took Luna with him for a walk, and I got the opportunity to start cleaning because the way we feed Luna can create a really big mess on the floor. So I really want to vacuum and mop. So this is the task for the moment, and then I will just prepare some dinner. And because today, even though I didn't have the chance to film that many things, it was quite a full day and very stressful, so I feel mentally and physically very draining. I was planning actually to go to either CrossFit or yoga, but I am just tired and hungry, so I don't think it's the best timing for me to go and work out. I already had a small walk, let's say, so I am just listening to my body and my needs, and this time it says just stay home and eat. So I will do that, and I will go tomorrow for a workout, and I will not feel, you know, guilty that I didn't go today. So let's start cleaning a little bit the house. Good morning, and welcome to Vlogmas day 7? Day 7, I think. It's 6, no, 7. I have lost all the days. Yesterday, actually, I didn't feel that much because, as I said, I had a very important meeting and I felt like a drain afterwards. I just filmed a little things around, but to be honest, it was a very tiring day. But this is done, this is over, and now we are on a new day. I had to wake up kind of early in a way of not waking up at I don't know, 9. So I had to take Luna to the vet because he had to take some blood tests to do, and now I came back. It was a very, how can I say, time-consuming appointment. It was supposed to take like half an hour, but in the end it took like an hour, and then I had like a half an hour drive to go and come back, so it took some time. But now I'm here and I will prepare something to eat because I didn't eat breakfast. I do have the tree over there, but I haven't, you know, light the lights on. Open the lights. I always savor this moment for later in the day where it's like more evening time. And yes, the plan is like I would like now something to eat because I'm starving, and then I wanted to go to the city center because I wanted to, you know, go to the Christmas market a little bit like during the day when there are not that many people around. And yes, I can you know, enjoy a little bit of my day. We also started a new puzzle because the previous one actually we finished it, I told you so, and one of the gifts that my boyfriend did was this one here. So he found a company that you can send them a picture and then you can turn it into a puzzle, and look what type of picture he chose. Like everything is blue, white, and a lot of black. Me, I'm the black. So as you can tell over here, it's a big mess and we are very careful so Luna is not, you know, around the table so she doesn't eat anything. And yes, so this is the plan for today. Let's prepare something to eat. So along with my puzzle, I will just have my breakfast, and for the first time after so many years, I also prepared a hot chocolate, and I used, let me show you what I used actually. I used this one here, is the Starbucks signature chocolate, 40% cocoa powder, and it says to put like in 200 ml of milk, 5 spoons of this. I just had 350 ml of milk and I put only 2, and it tastes super nice, so I don't understand why we have to put so much. But yeah, this is my breakfast now. I am ready to go to the city center. This is the black outfit once again. So the coat is from Zara, and yes, also the scarf is from Zara, and inside I have just like black pants. And also this is the area, like let me show you a little bit from far away. This is the area that I would like to decorate a little bit more Christmassy, to maybe put a wreath. So I will see what I can find on the city center to, you know, make it a little bit more Christmassy. I'm in the city center. I did find something really nice, a wreath that I could decorate, but nothing else. We don't have that many Christmas shops that I can go and find different, decorations, but I'm happy. It's a beautiful weather today. We have beautiful weather, so I will, walk around and then I will go home. So look how beautiful the day is, and behind me actually I do have the palace, but from here you cannot really see it. For free, Mom! So I am back home and I get ready because I'm ready for my yoga. In the end, we will not go to CrossFit with my boyfriend. So when I come back, because I'm a little bit in a rush, I will show you what I bought, the wreath that I bought, and what I'm thinking of doing when I'm decorated. Unfortunately, I will not have a decoration over here for the moment, but we will figure this out later in the month. But yeah, nothing has changed since yesterday. My bag again from Alo, the yoga mat is from Alo as well. This is from H&M last year, I think. The the zip-up sweater. It is from the yoga studio, and leggings, black leggings from Androulaki. I did my hair like a kind of a Lara Croft braid, and I am ready to go. I just came back from the yoga class. It was super nice, and now, as you can tell, I put for the first time the eye patches, and I really like them. It feels like they are like more silicone-y than just the regular eye patches, and they really stick to the skin. So I will let them just for 10 minutes and then I will wash them and store them. Luna is drinking water so graciously. So as I was saying, I will store them to the tin that they came with. And now I was trying to figure out where I can put the wreath that I bought. I'm not sure if I showed you. Did I show you? One moment. This is the wreath. It's just a simple wreath with, I don't know, how is it called? Sapin in English. We don't know where to put it because it's heavy. We don't want to drill, a hole on the wall. So we're like, where can we put it? And I'm thinking of actually having it on the table as a centerpiece and adding some, like elements, some ornaments, and I cannot add lights, but this is the idea. I need to sleep on it and think a little bit more. I was planning to, like decorate it tonight, but I think it will not be possible. And now we will take our dinner. I'll have some yogurt with cereal and fruit, and this will be it. Luna, I will go edit the video and I'll see you tomorrow.